To set up the driving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, first we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings we should be able to find Modes and Routines, and then we should be able to also find the driving option. So we're gonna tap over here and we need to set it up, which is pretty straightforward. Just tap on Start. Then over here we can choose when the driving mode should be automatically enabled. This can be based on driving, the Android Auto, or a specific Bluetooth device. And in my case, I'm just going to select Android Auto. So whenever the phone connects to Android Auto, then the driving mode will be automatically enabled. And then you can also activate the D&D mode whenever the driving mode is active. And we can also go next, of course. We can also choose what to do in the driving mode. So we can open an app or do an app action. We can read notifications aloud, and so on and so forth. And once you are done, just tap on Done, and that is pretty much it. Of course, you can also manually enable and disable the driving mode as well, just by tapping on this button. You can also go to the Control Center or Quick Settings, and if you go to Modes in here, you can find the driving option now as well. Leave a like and subscribe.